itself seems largely fine. I had to pull the fuses out to get it to stop because focus, because the wires don't unplug. That being said, this is the switch that was on, and it is now shit. It doesn't work. So I've yet to find out if that is salvageable. I have to pull the curtain out of the way. I can't tell. Something horrible has happened in here, and there are still sparks going. Holes in the curtain. It's welded to the curtain. Everything apart to get to it. I took the top of this off. So I already knew the red wire back there was fucked, because it's fucked almost all the way to where it comes out of the door. But the more I look at this, the worse it is. I'm gonna have to start cutting. It's fucking all welded together. The worst part is part of those wires are connected directly to the batteries. There's no way to just unplug them, so there's still live wires in there. As welded and melted right into the frickin' curtains. The curtains are fucking ruined. Chop this off, because I already know that one's gone. But gone where is the question, and what else is attached? That one's shot. That was the ground wire for the switch bank. And my other lights appear to be okay. I mean, what I can see of them. I'm using the phone as a flashlight right now. So I want to know, did my amplifier get fucked in all of this? I think it did. It's all fucking melted together. And like I said, some of this is gonna still be live, so I'm gonna fucking electrocute it any minute. Because it's connected directly to the battery leads. That wire's all fucked. Where were you even going to? I don't know. The inverter's still working. I wonder if I just need to chop off those other two lights just so I can untangle all of this mess. Oh, God. I know I need this wire. I'm probably going to have to take them apart just so I can see if they're still usable. Come on, you son of a bitch. Shit's all wound together. So that was the wire that went to the reds. It is completely toast. I'm amazed this didn't start a goddamn fire. Because it looks like the wires melted and shorted together, positive and negative, so I would have expected the reaction to have continued even though I unplugged shit. Fuck, I'm just gonna have to cut these because I gotta get this thing out. But the switch might be dead anyway, so I don't suppose there's any loss. It's not like they're gonna work right now anyway. Fuck you. This working position is not good on my back. Alright. So I need green and yellow out of the way. Green and yellow. What was black that I just cut? I'm gonna have to go through both of those wires and make sure that they're usable. Where does this black wire go to? wire, but that goes to the fucking battery charger. That's a different thing entirely. Get that out of the way. So what did this black wire go to? Well, it went to the black, apparently. It's a ground wire, but not one I remember having. Why the fuck is that there? Ow! Forget my moans. My back hates me. Okay, so this is just a random black wire that appears to be connected to the ground. Okay. Fucking rat's nest. Oh, I gotta give my back a break. Okay. The black wire was the grounding wire from the switch bank. That makes total sense. I'm an idiot. Really? An unmitigated disaster. The blue wire is my turn-on wire for the amplifier. Fuck. And this is the power wire for the amplifier, and the power wire itself, he's taken some shots, but I think it's intact, despite the fact that this thing is welded to it. Oh dear. I think those are intact. This red wire would have been the power wire that went to the switch bank. And the black one was the ground. So I'm still confused because the black one, it's not damaged. It's only the red one that's absolutely fucking destroyed. My speaker wires may have been damaged. Which would be why the sub stopped working, because the rest of the wires look fine. Damn thing. That's probably shorted right through there on that one. Oh yeah, that's why the sub doesn't work. The speaker wire got fried by everything else. However, I don't have an obvious explanation for what caused it in the first place. Hey, there's that nut I've been looking for. So yeah, all of the red power lines burned up. But this little black wire, which it will not focus on, this little black wire was the ground from the switch bank. And it's totally fine. Ugh. But the power wire going into the switch bank, and obviously the power wires coming from the switch going to the lights, those shorted like hell. So that has to mean the short is somewhere in the lights themselves and not in the switch, though the switch is fucked because the frickin' fuses didn't do their job and just let it cook.